Instead of generating false data, in this section we will use a real temperature humidity pressure sensor, the BME280 from Bosch. We will communicate with the LoPy via the I2C bus. We therefore need 4 wires to connect it. Ground, a 3.3 volts power supply, and 1 wire for the clock and another, finally for data. Once connected, we will be able to program our LoPy to retrieve data. The BME280.py module will show us how to do it. First, we create an instance of the I2C bus by specifying the speed, and that we are the primary. I2C.scan returns the I2C addresses of the secondaries connected to the bus. Here we only have one. It's the BME280's address. We initialize the component, and then we can read the raw values and normalized values. By touching the sensor, you will see the temperature increase. Similarly, by blowing on the sensor, the pressure will change.